Hey, hello guys. Welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machinery channel. My name is Richard. So today I'm inside of our heavy machinery workshop and I'm going to give a introduction of what is a rotary kiln. So the rotary kiln is a device used for the pyroprocessing of the materials in a continuous process. And based on the transmission type, it can be divided into first gear transmissions and also friction drive transmissions. And then based on the usage or the function, it can be divided into material processing rotary kilns and incineration rotary kilns. So, rotary kiln is a device that is widely used in the cement production plant. It converts the limestone into calcium oxide, which forms the small clinker particles, which can be made into cement later on. So, as for the structure of the rotary kilns, we have the drum device, we have the transmission device. So as you can see on the back, this is our rotary kilns, and we are doing a pre-commissioning or functional test. So in our next video, I will introduce about other parts of our rotary kiln. Thank you guys.